Hello everyone. In this video we're going to discuss about the input and output of C programming language, right? So let's share my screen. Let me share my screen, and I will take help from ChatGPT, and I hope you see my screen right now. Okay, so in C programming, the printf and scanf functions are essential for input and output operations. Let's break them down simply. So printf function, output, okay? The printf function is used to display information on the screen. Okay, so you provide a format string that tells C what kind of data you're displaying, and optionally, some variables to display. Okay, so here you see we are having our header file. Okay, then the main function. I already discussed about these things, guys. So here we have a variable age, and 20 is assigned in this variable. Okay, so now printf this age is going here in the place of %d, right? So I am 20 years old. So this this is just a print statement, guys. Okay, so format specifier %d is used to display an integer. I already discussed about this, but again we're just revising things, and you know uh, the many times as we do, our skill increases, right? We develop our skill. So I am okay. Format string age is the variable which values it. Okay, here printf will display I am 20 years old. Common format specifiers %d or %I integer. Okay, so to print integer we can use %I as well. %f floating point number. So for printing floating point number we can use this one. That means for the number which will have value after decimal, right? %c is for character, and %h is for string sequence of characters, for string. Okay, so scanf, what is scanf actually? Scanf is a function for taking input from the user, right? So the scanf function allows the user to input data during program execution. It also requires a format specifier and the address of the variable where the input will be stored, right? So you see this uh, code here, guys. Here is your header file, and in main function age is, so we are not defining, I mean we are not assigning any value in this age variable here, and printf enter your age. So the function is saying to enter my age. Okay, so now this scanf will take input from me. Okay, so I will give a number, integer types of number, of course, and then this will print it here. You entered age, so you entered whatever the age I give, right? Whatever the age I provide. I don't think I need to show you again this output of this, guys. These are just, simple things, right? So this is, guys, this is input and output of C programming language. This was a short video, so we will go for the next video. Thanks.